Okay, so we are at our math directions video. We're going to talk about what to expect today for math. So I told you at the beginning it's going to look a little bit different. Um, and you'll see here, first, I need you to do, there it was, that was kind of weird. First, we're going to do seesaw, okay? And then you're going to do prodigy. But before we do any of that, you're going to do your time test, okay? So do your time test, then you can get right on here to Seesaw. These are just a quick check of activities of what you have been learning about with fractions and decimals. So you're gonna, gosh, it's taking a long time to load. So this one says convert each fraction to a decimal. So I want to know, how do you write 1/10 as a decimal? 7/10 as a decimal. They're all going to be your tenths. Okay, I need you to do all 6 of those. Then over here on the side, we're going to click on the second sheet. And this time, you're going to color each grid to represent the decimal given. Okay, we have 8/10, 5/10, and 8/100. So be careful on that, right? When you're done, please check right here with the green circle, white check mark so that I can make sure I'm seeing these. And then you're welcome to head back and finish off with Prodigy. Hope you guys had a great day, and I hope you have an even better weekend. Can't wait to see you guys. Have a good job, or have a good weekend, guys.